Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take a look at one of your most important tools. That's your trading journal. Now, one of the biggest mistakes that traders will make is not keeping track of their trades. This is because it takes a bit of extra effort that doesn't show immediate profits. It's much easier to simply write it off as something unnecessary. However, those who have been trading for a while understand the benefits of tracking your trades. This gives you an idea as to what has been working and what has not been working for you, as well as whether or not you've been over trading, which is something a lot of us have been guilty of more than once. The easiest way to make a trading journal is to use Microsoft Excel right along with Microsoft Word. Now, with Microsoft Word, you simply write what you've been thinking about or type the setup when you put it together, when you place the trade, either the technical indicators or perhaps some type of news announcement. With this, you can write something to the effect of, I bought the British pound against the US dollar as the British GDP came out at 2.1% as opposed to the expected 2.0% for Q3. At least gives you an idea of what your thought process was. You can write those parameters of the trade down, such as when you got in, the trade size entry, stop losses, and other pertinent information. This way, you can begin to realize whether these types of trades are working for you in general. When you look at the results, the easiest way to do so is through Microsoft Excel. Now, this can be a course in and of itself. So this is a bare bones demonstration here, but you can see that it's a good way to keep track of your trades. And here I just have a sample of the way you may do this. You might do the day, the time, the pair, buy or sell, entry price, stop price, limit price, trade size, and P&L. Now, this doesn't give you the complete rundown. That's what the Microsoft Word is for. And then if you choose, you can start to do conditional formatting. You can do histograms, pie charts, that type of thing. Because sometimes what happens is you find out that you, for whatever reason, do better at a particular currency pair than another. And it may not be something that you're aware of. Maybe you just have a better feel for the currency pair over the last month or 2 months or a year. These are the areas we want to focus on. And this gives us a representation, a way to keep track of that. Now, professional traders will keep track of their thought processes as well as their results and look back at previous moves to enhance their performance longer term. This is something that, yes, it's a bit extra work, but it is crucial. One of the simplest ways to look at the benefits is if you have to put all of this information down, you're less likely to press buttons back and forth all day long.